Oh, pomegranate.
Ay, oo nga, no, ang dami
Oh my God! First time ko nakita ng pomegranate tree. Recently, I am so obsessed with pomegranates. I feel like the universe is telling me something. Like, giving me a sign. So peaceful. Hello! Kamusta kayo? Nakakatuwa naman nasa Disneyland ako. Pero, sana andito yung anak ko. Sana andito yung baby. Sana hindi yung 33 years old yun nandito. Oh my God, Alice. Go. Ay. Chinek mo ba doon? Did you forgot anything? What? Ano yung cellphone ko? Wala. Did you forgot anything there? Wala naman. Bakit? Ano nga meron? Wala. Ano yung nakaw mo? Chinecheck lang kita dun sa Did You Forgot. Meron kasi yung mga wala. Jazz, chinek mo ba kanina? Did you forgot anything? Did you forgot something?
Did I forgot something? Wala.
Did you forgot something inside? Wala naman.
My heart, my money. Yung pera ko, ang dami kong naiiwan na sa loob. Wala. Iiwan ko.
Chinecheck ko lang kasi kung grammar Nazi kayo.
Ay, hindi.
Hindi.
Wala akong pake.
Wow.
Basta na-gets mo.
Basta hindi judgmental ang friends ko.
Yeah.
Where did you bought? Bumili ako. What's up guys? Benedict here. It's been a while. I'm in Shanghai. Ang saya pala mo po dito. Uy! Oh my God! Mawamaba! Tawa sa tomba. Gulat nga ako eh.
Ang dami natin energy ah.
I'm with Jazz. Quite honestly, one of my favorite hosts in the Philippines. Ang galing niya mag-host. May cash ka ba? May Gcash. Gcash. Dito kami in Shanghai for Gcash.
Nag-offer siya na ito. Kinain mo ba
I know. Kinain ko, tapos napabili din ako.
Ay, pwede siya?
Oh, ay, Matulog ka ba?
Oo,
agad?
nag-edit lang ako.
Hindi kasi nasa tour bus kami kanina. Si tour guide, nagbigay siya ng sample products like this.
Sunflower seed ito.
Ayan. Tapos sabi ko, feeling ko may order form after. Tapos totoo pala.
Wala pang 1 hour tayo sa Shanghai ha?
Wala pa ngayon 30 minutes eh.
Literal na 10 minutes, nabudol na ako agad. Ako yung pag nasa mall, binentahan, mabilis mabenta.
Kuya ka?
Ganyan ka.
Grabe yung judgment naman ng mukha. Sabi niya, ganyan ka.
Okay, ganyan nga.
Si Jax nga pala, I never knew they were siblings.
Hindi ba kami magkamukha?
I mean, hindi ko ma-imagine
Or
lang.
hindi naman natin.
Baka hindi
We don't look alike.
It never crossed my mind na magkapatid kaya sila. Yeah. Nakita ko na lang sa Tinghun photos, which is super ganda. Grabe nung Tinghun niya. Pang ano talaga, pang magazine. So, ayan na.
The room key here.
Siya po yung nambudol sa akin. Here's my room. Puntahan niyo ako, guys. Room 209.
The Bluetooth device is ready to...
Come in. Toilet. Bedroom. Wow. Bumbaya. See-through. Buti lang mag-isa ako.
Bombay!
Since I'm a sucker for fried siopaw, what we call Jianpao, ayan. Titikim kami ngayon. Let's go! Ay, aray ko. Fast food chain pala siya. Wow. Hindi kaya puso talaga, takipan talaga ng vlog.
Sorry naman, hindi nakita. I'm so sorry. Nakita kayo, hindi ko nakita.
Ganyan pala dito, no? Murderan ng vlog.
Sorry.
Nagantihan kita. Yeah! I feel like si Jax very ma-research sa mga pupuntahan. Are you that kind of person?
Depende.
It depends.
Food medyo para at least may something special.
Ikaw, planner?
Ako, super planner kapag views and activity. But not food.
But
That's the
not
last.
food.
Kasi kahit saan lang ako.
Perfect match. Pag ganon.
Hindi kami lumalabas ni Jazz. Kasi iba si Jazz, kailangan niya maganda photos.
Gets. Part of our job. Kami ng kapatid ko nung una, napipikon na siya. Sobrang pikon niya, napipikon na rin ako. Huwag na tayong picture.
Huwag na nga!
Hindi niya napansin, sumirit yung...
Kalap.
Sorry.
Sabi ko, sino yung mutulog? Ang sad. Hindi niya napansin, sumirit yung...
Oh my God! No! Hindi ako yan ha. Bench court at
What?
Ano ba yan?
Ginawa. What? Sabi siguro nung ng banyagan.
Pati na mo natin. Ay, ang sarap ng crab.
Ang init tuloy sa bibig. Binuo ko na lang.
Kaya dapat kagat, sip-sip, ganun siya. Kagat,
Sanay. Sira, kakamit na natin.
Ano yan lang naman?
You're letting me try egg tart.
Iba talaga siya.
From KFC. This is our Chinese creme brulee. Sarap.
Diba?
Ipin na KFC. That's 8 or 9 lang.
Magkano yan? 65 pesos? Mainit pa.
Napasok ka, no? Sarap, pero napasok ako. Hindi naman. Ladies and gentlemen, mga addict sa Pop Mart. Sabi ni Jax, bumili ka kahit isa lang, dali. Sabi ko, ayoko. Ako yung type na may addicting tendency.
Oh, do you?
Like, kunyari, na-start ko yun, nagustuhan ko, hindi ako magsa-stop.
Ay, hindi
Like,
masaya.
Actually. Grabe yung energy ko nawala. Zero sleep. Di ko pala kaya. Dati kaya ko ng 2 days walang tulog. Ngayon, less than 8 hours, cannot function. All the more na di makafunction with no sleep. Good morning! Today is day 2 and we are here in Shanghai Disneyland. Nakakatuwa naman nasa Disneyland ako. Pero, sana andito yung anak ko. Sana andito yung baby. Sana hindi yung 33 years old yun nandito. I'm so excited. Mostly also to eat. Bagong gising, medyo mahaba yung biyahe. Weather is cold, but the vibe is good. The vibe is giving. So let's get it. Ano ba? Thank you.
It's the second largest Disneyland in the world.
Really?
Pa-fact check.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Second largest dito? Wow.
Ata sa Florida ito.
Ay, di ba yung Enchanted Kingdom?
Ay, Laguna. Laguna.
Yung EK pala yung
Vice City
first.
yung third.
Good morning!
Gising na gising na siya.
Wala, may energy, diba? Kamusta kaya? Did you have enough sleep?
Pero kanina. Kanina.
Dapat sinit
Alam mo, dapat binidyo ko na.
Sorry. Nakanganga ba ako kanina?
Oo,
Oh
Gusto
my
lagyan
God.
na namin ng M&M.
Kayo din kanina kaya?
Wow!
Sabi niya kanina.
Wow!
Yes. Kailan last Disneyland nyo?
Ako US. Like 4 years ago.
4 years ago.
ata.
Ay.
Nag-Hong Kong ako eh.
Oh my God.
Ay.
Parang nag-shopping ka lang ganun.
Nag-Disneyland talaga ako para lang mag-hotel.
Para mag-hotel?
Ng Disneyland Hotel.
Grabe kayong mga mayayaman.
Baliw ka. Sana magbilang anghel ka.
Ang daming dumagdag. Ang daming dumagdag. Ang haba ng pila. Grabe naman. And today is Tuesday ba ngayon?
Monday.
A Monday? That many people on a Monday? Or that much? Ano yung tama? That much people on Monday. On a Monday. Ayun na nga. Have a very shiny night. Oh my, I miss my son so much. Look, we're here.
All guests.
I got Donald Duck. Who did you get? Minnie Mouse.
Jack!
Rose? Ikaw Jack! Third sa center.
Tapos palabas. Bye-bye.
Parang delayed yung isang matanda doon.
3, 2, 1, alis. Pasok!
Ulit.
Delayed talaga yung matanda doon. Eto, sure na talaga. Kanina pa ako nagsa-celebrate. Oh my God, Disneyland! Gcash team and Rebel, let's go! Pa-BTS shot ako. Hala! Ayan. Hala! Eto na po, sorry na.
Kasi Chinese.
Disney!
Period.
Akala ko na may follow-up tayo doon. Pagka Disney,
Kasi
umalis
Tagalog.
agad. Ha? Disney! Disney! Disney B! Disney, the other knee. Pasok na tayo! What the dog doing? Nalaglag ko yung mic. Hindi ko mahanap. Here. Thank you so much. Tapos yan. Iba ang happiness din talaga kapag ano, no, nasa Disneyland. Like, it's just giving a super happy vibe. Ay, ang galing magbiro.
Okay siya. Grabe talaga to. Grabe talaga.
Kunyari B-roll, ganun ka lang, ganun ka lang. B-roll kunyari.
Sorry, 2 steps forward.
Today, maglalaro tayo ng luksong baka. Buwis buhay para sa content, ha. 1, 2, 3, go!
Guys, ganun ko kamahal ang kapatid ko, di ba? Pera ko lahat yan.
Wow!
你扫我对吗？
Mali! QR!
Generate here. Ayan, dito pa kayo mag-aaway, ha. Ayan, guys. Oh, like,
Ah,
literally, in Shanghai Disneyland, you can use Gcash.
Wait lang, kapagalan ko.
Pero, pangawit na yung nagpo-pour. Wow! Wow! Medyo intense ata yun. Kasi yung sigaw ni ate.
Parang
Medyo parang pa-last day. Amazing. Oh my God! Ganda! Narinig ko yung sigaw nila.
Dapat dito yung Gcash logo.
Wait, ipa-program ko lang. Ang ganda. Sipin mo ganyan yung LRT natin.
Stranger Things yung soundtrack.
Oh my God! Ay! Gagi! Ang bilis pala! Ay! Ang bilis! Sino nagsabi nung hindi mabilis? Kaya, who told me? Sino nagsabi nung mabagal?
tayo kumain.
How's your Tron experience?
Gutom na ako.
Buti hindi kami kumain kasi parang lalabas din kanina. Oh my God, pinapanood ko yung footage kanina. I sound like that. Ay! Gagi! Ang bilis pala! Pero fun. I would do it again. Oh, try nyo na. Go.
Masarap siya. As in.
Turkey. Ewan ko kung di nyo ma-hit yung protein nyo today.
10 grams pa lang daw yun.
Hindi ah. Okay, sorry. Hindi ah. Tingnan nyo yung dala ko. May chicken breast. May beef. May yogurt. Let me introduce you to Bugs Bunny.
What's up, Doc?
Cuties.
Day 2 of working together.
Can you see this behind me? So happy. I wish I was with my family too. Wala, nakalimutan kita, sorry. Oh my God, Alice. Go. Ay. Sorry. Hello! Kamusta kayo? Disney! Mga kababayan! Hey! Shanghai, how are you feeling? Oh my God, basa!
宝藏就是一切。
Itinan mo? Ano sabi nila?
I-mute ko naman eh. Bye-bye Disneyland! It was a fun Disney day. Pero 3 PM pa lang kasi may pupuntahan kami ibang lugar. 4 na ba? May baon din siya oh. Ganyan pag mga senior na.
May kutkutin.
This is how you know you're in Shanghai. Ayan. Ganda. Umuulan kasi ngayon so medyo naka-cover ng ulap. But it's so nice. narinig ako, Pinoy. Ay, Pinoy nga. Alam mo agad eh, no? Dito ka kasi. Ako'y 1, 2, 3. Minsan overly polite. Hi, can you help us take our picture? Wala mga Pinoy. Help! Uy, may Pinoy. May Pinoy. Ako rin ba?
Tatlo tayo.
Tatlo. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Shanghai. Kasama ang aming team.
Jessica Soho ka.
Ganda ng view. Ay, excuse me, sir. Hala, grabe. Rolling na. Ay. Thank you. Kala mo di antok. A minute na. I love you. We're in Lost Heaven. This is one of the... Hindi ko alam ano meron dito. Soda water. Finally. Gets ko na, ba't Michelin? Ito. Nalaglag ko yung Michelin Shanghai Lumpia. Thank you. May...
Uso talaga sa dalawa kong katabi. Yung squirt, laglag, ganyan.
Thank you, Ahya. May Ahya na ako sa wakas. Oh my God. Back in the hotel, and I realized how important it is that we scrape our tongues. Link below. Not sponsored.
Brother, what's that, brother?
It's one secret for fresh breath. So today, I was working with GCash, which I was super thankful for because hindi ko na-realize na everywhere in China halos, as long as it has shops dun, may Alipay Plus, pwede ka mag-GCash. This vlog is not sponsored. I always say this, but we often go to vacations just so we can take good pictures, create more memories, to a point that there are times na mas fun pa yung actual memories we've created versus what happened in reality. So today, syempre, half and half. Nag-film ako and I enjoyed the day. But this is not the case for other people because I see a lot of people na mga nandun sa Disneyland, for example. Like all the time, nasa phones, nasa cameras, ganyan. Admittedly, may times na ganun din ako. Just feels refreshing to, after ma-shoot yung isang bagay, detach ka na dun sa device mo. Just enjoy the present. Enjoy watching the people walk, families bond, strangers, communicating. Remember last year, I was super duper healthy. No sugar, no carbs. And I got super thin. Then I realized, nagkaroon siya ng negative impact sa head ko kasi pagtapos ng fasting ko, I was overeating. Parang masyado ko nirestrict yung sarili ko. This year, trying to balance everything. Tama, Jax? Correct. Dapat. Ay, ang ganda naman nun. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ang ganda naman ng outfit. It's day 3. May pa-leather jacket tayo. Motor na lang ang kulang talaga. Hey, we are here in Yew Garden. Tama? Yew Garden.
Me or you?
Us Garden.
Are we?
Meow. Ganda. Super fan of mga gardens actually.
It's special because
You're here. Okay, sige. Parang pa 15 minutes na, hindi ko pa rin nafe-feel yung CR na malapit. May mga koi fish na. Kois! Woo! That was a lot of pee. So sa plane.
ang serious ng topic ko.
Sorry. So the Yew Garden is from the Ming Dynasty ng 1559. Tapos that was a lot of pee. Lagi ako like, kunyari pag sa plane, dapat nasa aisle ako. Kasi para di ako maka-istorba ng iba. Stay hydrated. It's the way to live. So peaceful. Sorry. I'm sorry. Ang sarap ng vibe dito.
Wait, ang salita. Tatalon ko this. Ready?
Oh, pomegranate.
Ay, oo nga, no, ang dami
Oh my God. First time ko nakita ng pomegranate tree. I love pomegranate. Look guys, ang daming pomegranate. I feel like the universe is telling me something. Like, giving me a sign. Na sobrang feel ko maglakad kanina. When I looked up, I saw a pomegranate on a pomegranate tree. And recently, I am so obsessed with pomegranates. There's just something about pomegranates na hindi ko ma-explain. Masarap, nutritious, beautiful. I don't know. But, yeah. Cue Chinese music. So beautiful. Ang ganda. Nakakaiyak. Nakakaiyak. Ang ganda ng mundo. Ay, sino yung mga kasama ko?
I'm here!
Kinabahan ako ng slide. Kasi nafe-feel ko yung ang daming strangers, the noises, the once-in-a-lifetime encounters with random strangers, the once-in-a-lifetime feeling at this exact moment, exact hour, exact minute, exact second. Seconds, 10, 9, 8. Ano pa sabi mo, Ben? Oh, yung mga exact collection ko, guys. Angemon, Seraphimon. Oh my God. Escape, escape, escape. Things you don't need.
Guys, be careful, there's a car, ha?
3, 2, 1, action!
We're now in
Shanghai! Gcash it yourself. Yan ang ating challenge today. Again, we're gonna attempt to go cashless. This is the joy of finding chopsticks. It's like finding a wand. The chopsticks find you. I like wood also. I don't like super coated para makapit. Set na siya for the whole family. Ah, nice. Alipay. Okay.
Okay.
Love it. You can buy everything almost with Gcash as long as may Alipay Plus. Uy, libreng vlog talaga to sa Gcash, ha? Reimburse nyo to. Tapos magta-text sa'yo kapag ka na. Ayan na, finish. 3,000 pala yun. 5 chopsticks. At least good quality. Yay! Ang mga nabudol ng chopsticks. Chopsticks gang. Beautiful craftsmanship of fans. Para ako nasa museum, ah. Wow! Real feather? Wow! Grabe. Bugat pak. Our day is about to end, but I feel like it's still long.
About to end?
Not yet.
Not yet about to end.
The day has just started.
Energy. We're here in Margiela Cafe. Muntik na ako mabudol ng shoes din, pero one thing I learned is pag may konting hesitation, wag mo na.
Kaya ice cream na lang.
Kaya ice cream. Sabi ko, shoes, perfume siguro. Bango eh. Ay, try nyo nga.
I know this one. It's, what's the name?
Lazy Sunday.
Yeah, that's my mom's.
Oh
Kaya
my God.
familiar.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Tito.
Really? I love it. Got gelato. Milk flavor. Uy, ang sarap nito. Try mo. Ahya. Ang saya. May tinatawag na akong ahya. Ako ang tinatawag na ahya at kuya lagi. Try mo.
Pinintay.
Ahya yung likod ko. Mababali na talaga. How was it? Good? Good. Milk. Milk. Bumili si Jazz ng Margel. It's a surprise niya. Ata si Jazz.
As my gift for my day of honor. Oh! Diba? So, gift mo sa akin cake. May nag-cake, ha?
Sweet naman.
Kasi mo ganun sa akin, eh.
Thank you so much. Asus, yan yung mga kunyaring ganyan yung mukha, pero kilig ang puwet. I have decided after 15 minutes, I love it. Like lazy Sunday. Lazy Sunday morning. Yan. Siyam. Alipay quick. I think okay na yun. So, ang nabili ko sa Shanghai ay chopsticks and perfume. What is this place? Naihina ako. Jack, chinek mo ba doon? Did you forgot anything? What? Ano yung cellphone ko? Wala. Did you forgot anything there? Wala naman. Bakit? Ano nga meron? Wala. Ano ninakaw mo? Chinecheck lang kita doon sa did you forgot. Meron kasi yung mga wala. Jazz, chinek mo ba kanina? Did you forgot anything? Did you forgot something?
Did I forgot something?
Did you forgot something inside? Wala naman.
My heart, my money. Yung pera ko, ang dami kong naiiwan na sa loob. Mahal. Iiwan ko.
Yung chinecheck ko lang kasi kung grammar Nazi kayo.
Ay, hindi.
Hindi.
Wala akong pake.
Wow.
Basta gets mo.
Basta hindi judgmental ang friends ko.
Yeah.
Where did you bought? Bumili ako ng chicken feet again and I'm letting everyone try it. Okay. Chicken feet lover. Sarap, di ba? Crunchy, may litid.
Gusto ko siya kasi hindi siya masyadong spicy.
Hindi siya spicy. Lemon garlic. Sarap.
Interesting.
Di ba? What? Ito yung pulutan ng mga Chinese. Good with beer. Look at that.
Yeah, good with beer nga.
You know. Last destination tonight. I'm having so much fun. I don't wanna go home. Sabihin nyo naman, Joaquin, dalhin nyo pa kami dito ulit. Totoo na talaga. This is the last part of the vlog. Thank you, Gcash. She was like, thank you. And nice to meet you. Not really. Sorry. See, Jazz is not here because Mother Nature, call of nature. But that's it. See you guys again on my next vlog. Kita-kits on Monday. 再见.